Every accident case has the same issue. You know what it is? You did it. No, I didn't. You're responsible. No, I'm not. You want to learn what this is all about? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. In every civil lawsuit in New York involving an accident matter or medical malpractice or wrongful death, the basic issues are always the same. You have an injured victim who turns around and says, "Hey, you did it. You caused my accident." And what do you think that driver says? "No, I didn't. I'm not responsible." In every case involving medical malpractice where we believe a doctor violated the basic standards of care, the injured victim turns to the doctor in the hospital and says, "You did it. You're responsible for my injuries." And you know what they say? "No, I didn't. I'm not responsible." So why do I bring this up with you? I bring this up because these issues arise in every single one of these cases. You see, it's our obligation representing injured victims to show that we are more likely right than wrong, that the people you are suing were careless. We have to show not only that we are more likely right than wrong, that somebody violated the rules of the road or violated the basic standards of medical care, but then we have to show that those violations from the basic standards of care was a cause of your injuries. We have to show a connection, a bridge, and legally that's known as causation. Not only do we have to show that we're more likely right than wrong, that somebody else was careless, but then we have to show that that carelessness was a cause of, we don't have to show that it was the only cause, but only that it was a cause of your injuries, and then we have to show that your injuries are significant or permanent. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight that when you're considering bringing a lawsuit for your accident matter or for wrongful death matter or medical malpractice, the same issues arise over and over again. You bring a claim alleging that someone did something wrong, they automatically turn around with a knee-jerk reaction, say, "No, I didn't, I'm not responsible." And then it's our obligation to show that we are more likely right than wrong, that what we are claiming is true. And we do that through evidence, through the medical records, through using experts in order to justify and support our claim. You know, I realize you're watching this because you likely have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter happened here in New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. You know I answer questions like yours every single day and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.